How to discover trending spots on Instagram map. Open the Instagram app, tap the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of Instagram. This is a gateway to trends and location. In the search bar, type a city, neighborhood, or interest like downtown, beaches, tourist spot, food place, nightlife, and hit search. Tap on place. At the middle, you would see a small map or see more option. Tap it to launch Instagram map. If you didn't find any places, again you can sort by tapping the search bar next to the address. Look for the highlighted or popular pins. Trending spots usually appear with larger highlight pins. These locations trend to get higher visibility because of recent activity. When you open a pin, check if it has lots of recent posts and reels, busy story activity, multiple tagged user, that's a sign it's trending. Swipe through the trending content to see what people are doing there, event or viral remain, aesthetic spot gaining hype. If you like a spot, tap the bookmark icon to save or tap share icon to send it to your friends or group. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.